If you're building characters or animations with AI, Krea is probably the most complete creative suite you haven't explored yet. And I'm going to show you exactly why. You can start from zero, or you can use a mood board. I'm using my own mood board, the one I already shared publicly, as a visual reference to guide the generation. I type in my concept. Simple, direct. And Krea gives me multiple interpretations. Now I adjust the settings so the generated images stay closer to my mood board's visual style. The more specific you are with your reference, the more control you have over the output. You just keep generating until something clicks, until you find the one. Once I have my character, I run it through Enhance. Upscaled, sharpened. The difference before and after is not subtle. Into real-time now. One click, background gone. This is where Krea becomes something else entirely. I type, and the image rebuilds itself in real time as I write. No waiting, no rendering, just live creative control. I could have animated the isolated character directly, but I wanted to push it further. So I move to video, select Seedance 2.0, upload my final character, write the scene, and generate. And this is the result.